Alright, you guys, so I'm where near Revolution used to be. So, Revolution used to be right in this area. Right here is where Revolution was. And here is where the new Sky Screamer is gonna go. Eagle, obviously, down. So, there's that. And here's some of the supports for it. As you can see. And there's American Eagle. American Eagle's cues right there. And a Sky Screamer. So it's gonna be interesting how they do this actually. So, yep. And of course, as you guys remember, Revolution used to be right in this area.